So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on the View tab, and then you want to make sure that you have Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives selected, and you want to scroll down, and then you want to untick Hide Extensions for Known File Types. So you want to first tick Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives, so tick this, and then you want to untick Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Untick this and then click on OK. Now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on this PC, and then you're going to click on the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's probably going to be your C drive. You're going to have a Windows logo on it, so you're going to double click on it, and now you're going to click on Program Data, and now you're going to click on Microsoft. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on Windows Defender, and now you're going to click on Scans, and now you're going to click on History, and now you're going to click on Service. Everything in the service folder, you just want to delete it. So you're going to highlight all of this and then click on delete. And now once you've deleted everything in this folder, now you're going to click on Scans on the top, and then you're going to click on History, and then you're going to click on Cache Manager. You want to delete everything in this folder as well. Now once you delete everything in both those folders, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.